Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to get color background on CapCut. So first, add your clips to CapCut and then click on overlay and then add overlay. So here I'm using a free gradient picture on the internet. I got from the internet, and you can just use one of your favorite color. In this case, I'm using blue, the blue color like this, and then adjust the size so it cover whole clips, and then go to splice and then click on overlay and adjust it into your liking. So I'm going to go with 70, click on the check icon and then copy the main video, click on the main video and then click on copy and then place it at the top of the color by clicking on the overlay. So click on overlay and put it at the bottom like this, aligned with the first one, and then click on the video and go to cutout and remove its background. Okay, the background has been removed, and then to make the background more realistic, you can just go to mask. So you can just click on the color overlay in here and then go to mask, and then here choose circle and choose the part that you want to adjust. So you can just go like this and then just add some blur effect and then click on invert, and then it'll go like this. Click on the check icon and here is the final result. You can see now the background is colored like this. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think the video is helpful, don't forget to click on like, click on the thanks below and subscribe. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.